The US Navy has painted one of its helicopters in a camouflage pattern similar to that used on Russian Mi-24 Hind helicopters. In military training exercises, aggressor squadrons or units often mimic the tactics, techniques, and procedures of potential adversaries to provide realistic training for friendly forces. This includes painting their aircraft, such as helicopters, in camouflage patterns similar to those used by potential adversaries, in this case, the Russian Mi-24 Hind. The Mi-24 Hind is a well-known Russian helicopter, known for its distinctive appearance and combat capabilities. By painting a US Navy helicopter in a similar camouflage pattern, it allows for more realistic training scenarios against potential adversaries who may operate Mi-24 Hinds or similar aircraft. This practice of using adversary tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, during training is known as aggressor training or red teaming. It helps the military to better understand and prepare for potential threats by experiencing and adapting to simulated enemy actions. In the context of a US Navy helicopter painted with Russian Mi-24 Hind-style camouflage, it's likely part of a larger training exercise where naval aviators and crew members simulate engagements against a hypothetical adversary using tactics similar to those employed by Russian forces. By exposing personnel to these scenarios, they can better understand how to counter such tactics and operate effectively in real-world situations. Additionally, it's worth noting that the camouflage pattern itself may not be an exact replica of the Mi-24 Hind's pattern, but rather inspired by it to create a visually distinct and recognizable adversary aircraft for training purposes. The goal is to create an immersive training environment that challenges and prepares naval personnel for a range of potential threats they may encounter in the field. This kind of training is crucial for maintaining readiness and effectiveness in modern warfare. By simulating potential adversaries' tactics and equipment, military forces can identify weaknesses, refine strategies, and develop countermeasures in a controlled environment. Moreover, such training exercises often involve not just the aircraft themselves but also the entire operational concept, including communication protocols, intelligence gathering, mission planning, and response strategies. This comprehensive approach ensures that personnel are well prepared to handle a variety of scenarios they may encounter in real-world operations. Furthermore, the use of realistic adversary simulations fosters adaptability and critical thinking among military personnel. They learn to think on their feet, assess rapidly evolving situations, and make informed decisions under pressure, all of which are essential skills in combat situations. Overall, painting a US Navy helicopter in Russian Mi-24 Hind-style camouflage is just one aspect of a broader effort to enhance readiness and effectiveness through realistic training. It reflects the military's commitment to staying ahead of potential threats and ensuring the safety and success of its personnel in any operational environment.